check out the next car coming up on the block. It's a 2021 Bronco, first edition, that is very, very significant for us at Mecum Auctions and Motor Trend, but also all the proceeds going to the Gary Sinise Foundation. The house is watching a video on the foundation and what they are involved with and what they are doing to benefit veterans, first responders, and Gary Sinise himself on the podium right now to talk to this crowd.
And the great work they're doing, and the great people that are coming along.
Thank you. How are you? How many veterans and first responders do we have in the audience today? Could you all stand up? Let's hear it for our veterans and our first responders. We have veterans right here. Thank you all for serving our country. At the Gary Sinise Foundation, we work every day to serve and honor the needs of the men and women who defend us, who protect us. And that's what the proceeds of this Bronco are going to go for today, with the support of Sunbelt Rentals and the amazing Chip Foose. We're going to do really well for the men and women who serve our country here. Let me introduce the man of the hour, the legendary Chip Foose.
Thank you very much, Gary. And how about a round of applause for Mecum for all they're doing for us in this industry. It's really a pleasure to be here and an honor to be involved with this project. When I heard about it, I thought, yeah, I would love to do this. And, you know, I got to thank all of the people that helped. We had MagnaFlow gave us the exhaust system. Fuel Wheels gave us the wheels. They gave us the tires. We had King Shocks, gave us the shock, gave us the lift kit. And I went to Gary's office, and when I walked in and I saw his thousands of challenge coins, the collection he's had from all the veterans that have given him their coins. And I thought, you know, it'd be really cool to tie that into the Bronco somehow. And originally I thought about doing a river of challenge coins and coming around into the back, but with that spare tire, I thought, okay, no, I can't do it that way. And then I thought, how about like the old travel stickers that we used to stick on the backs of all the rear windows of all the station wagons? So we photographed the challenge coins at Gary's foundation, and we made stickers of some of them, and we put them on the Bronco, and then we added the American red and white stripe with the blue here, and it was truly an honor to be involved with this, and I'm really looking forward to what we're going to sell this for, so we can help all the veterans who need our help. Because look, if it wasn't for our military and all the people, all the veterans that help us, we wouldn't be here today. This is our freedom to enjoy our passion. So thank you. Looking forward to selling it.
And ladies and gentlemen, never forget, Sunbelt Rentals donated this and got the whole thing started.
Great. Chip, Gary, thank you so much. On behalf of our over 2,000 veterans as part of Sunbelt Rentals, a big team of them are right in front of us today. We're so proud to be part of this organization. Last year, we raised over $1 million for the Gary Sinise Foundation, and our hope is right now to begin 2023 really strong to get to our $2 million goal. And the more we get for this Bronco, the more that it helps. 100% straight to the foundation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now offering F-133.
Okay.
The 2021 Ford Bronco.
Wow, already an incredible moment, and we haven't even started the bidding on the car yet.
Donated to the Gary Sinise Foundation by Sunbelt Rentals. Matt, it's got 90 miles on a twin turbocharged EcoBoost.
So here we go with the Bronco First Edition.
All right, let's break down what we have for hardware here first. The sensational new Bronco debuted in 2021. The first edition was a special package that's lightning blue. It's powered by the big 2.7-liter twin turbocharged V6. Of course, automatic transmission, as all of them are. But it's had the customization done in a very subtle, respectful form by Chip Foose himself. A collaboration between Chip Foose, the Gary Sinise Foundation, and Sunbelt Rentals. Let's see where the bidding and action heads out on this, Scott.
$175,000. Give us some perspective, John. Without the backstory, without the foundation involvement, a 2021 first edition Bronco would roughly go for how much money?
Probably somewhere around half of where we're at right now. So we're already seeing a premium.
Yes.
175, I'm going to bit of a tail. Hit 175 here, not going to be a bit of a 200 pound pair, not going to be a 200,000 a bit. 200,000. You want 185, you'll do that. 185, 185, 185. Already hit a bit of 185. You want it, not going to be 185, 185 a bit. Thank you. Now 200,000 a bit. Now 200,000. Now two, not going to be around out. Even the money, going to be a bit of a 200 pound pair. Hit a bit of a 2 pair, not going to be a bit of a 2 here. 200 pair, 210. And not going to be a bit of a 10 pound, not going to be 210, not going to be a bit of a 200 pair, 210,000 under now. Two's down some to get 210. Hit 10, not going to be a bit of a 210, not going to be a 10, 220, down 220. And not going to be a bit of a 10, down 20 bid, not going to be 220 bid, not going to be 210 bid, 220, 210, 220,000 bid, 220,000. How much you guys hit a bit of a 220 bid? Hit 220 down, not going to be a bit of a 10, not going to be 220,000. Hit a bit of a 220 bid, 210, 220,000 bid, 210. Hit a bit of solid, not going to be a bit of a 20 bid, 220,000 bid, 220,000, 220,000.
215.
I'll take that. 215 now, 220. Give 220. 220,000. Take it now, 5. Now 5. I'm going to be 225. 225 bid. Hit 225. I'm going to be a bit of a 5. I'm going to be a bit of a sir. Take a drink of bid, sir. Give 225,000. 225. Hit 2. I'm going to be a bit of a 20 bid. I'm going to be a bit of a 5. You want it? I'm going to be 225,000. 220. Now 30. Now 230. 230. Both got to be 230 bid. 230. 230,000 bid. Not bad. I'm going to be a bit of a 2. Give 230. You're not done. Give 230. 230,000 bid. 230. 240. 240. 240. 240 bid. 240 bid. 240,000. And get us out. I'm going to be 240 bid. 240. 240,000. 240 bid. I'm going to be a bit of a 40 bid. 240 bid. And I'm going to be a bit of a 40. I'm going to be 15. 215. That sounds like a great number. Give 250,000. You said that before. You said that 3 times. I think you're lying. Give 250. 250. Give $250,000. They're on their way to a second million.
$250,000.
$250,000.
Not out of the question.
Do we have change for that?
What else we got going on, Jimbo?
Actually, I'm gonna stop this for a minute, and you know, generally, all of my original drawings I still have, but I went ahead and framed the original drawing of the Bronco, and the top bidder is not only going to get the Bronco, but you get this original drawing of it as well.
Wow.
So,
Yeah, the original drawing.
This is
for
a great
the creation.
This is a great cause, and I'm excited to be a part of it. So.
Now I'm asking my co-bidder if he can see it from there. You want to get 250 now? 250,000. 250,000. You got 250 bid.
That should sweeten the pot.
Absolutely, yes. 100% to the foundation. 250,000 a bid. Give 250. 250. Take it now. $275,000. Now 275.
Come on, Bob.
275. And I didn't call you out, he did. Give 260, 250, 260,000, 260, 260,000 bid. Give 260, because I'm pretty sure we'll get 275 here. Give 260. I know that. 260. That's why I wear the hat. Give one to give 260 bid. 260, 260,000 bid. Hold on. Here comes Greg's stunt double. 260.
Dana Mecum is on his horse out there into the crowd.
$260,000. Their deal is being made right now. 260. If you want to do it. 260,000. Give 260. 250, right? 260,000 under bid. 250. You want to do it? 260. Was that it? 260. Now 275. Now that sounds better. $275,000. 275. He's throwing in a $100,000 painting into the car. You want to get 275. 275,000. 275. Give 275. 275,000. Give 275 for those who gave all. You're all done. We think about it that way. $275,000. Thank you. It's right behind you. 275,000. 260 bid. 275,000 under bid. And it's on it. I'm going to do 275,000. 275. I won't go until he says no. Not going to do 275. 260, 75 bid. And it's here. 275. Chris, how much your bid? 275. 275,000. 275 is bid.
The deal makers everywhere. The deal makers.
get $300,000. We're a third of the way there. If you get $300,000 on their second bill, get $300,000. Get $300,000. You've said that 10 times now. I still don't believe you. We're going to have confessions back here after we're done. Get $300,000. Get $275. $300 bid. $300 bid. Get $300. Get $300,000. $300,000 to bid. You want to get three? I'm going to do $275 bid. $300,000. You want to get $300,000? You know what? That's a great question, Jimmy. How many people in this room think you owe $300,000? $275 is bid. You gotta know because you took him $300,000. $300,000 bid. Any more? $300,000 bid. You're gonna get three. Get $275 bid. $300,000. Y'all know $300,000 bid. No, I'm going to get $300,000. I won't when the boss says no. Not gonna get a $300,000 bid on $275. Gonna get us a $300,000. And it is.
He was side builder for a minute.
Yeah, I saw that. Is he all done?
Knew something was brewing.
$300,000. Like I said, I'm not going until you say no. Anybody else at $300,000, ladies and gentlemen?
You're the top bid. You raise your bid.
He ain't got much left. He's been up and down them stairs all week long. $300,000.
300!
Oh my
They're a
goodness.
third of the way there.
Second, 350!
$350,000. Don't fall, Dana. $350,000, ladies and gentlemen. Give a big round of applause.
$350,000.
America thanks you. Gary Sinise Foundation thanks you.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Jim. Awesome. Thank you for all being here.
And that is the gentleman that bought that Bronco, talking with Chip Foose, the creator of that one-off incredible custom, going to an incredible cause. Gary Sinise in there. They're going to take some pictures, as well they should.
Nice to meet you. Congratulations and thank you so much.